Lena ke iMadiketseng TV kanti ke ungakhohlwa ke ukuthi ke usubscribe ukuze ke njalo ke mangikhipha zona indaba zezemidlalo wena ke uzobe uqala ukuyithola. Ezihamba phambili ke ngalesikhathi sokuthi ke lona ke bekangumdlali weKaizer Chiefs ke uMark Williams sekancome ke lona ke bekangumqeqeshi wakhe ke uPaul Doleza. Kanti ke lona ke futhi bekayidefender yeOrlando Pirates ke uEdward Majenzi Motale uthi ke iKaizer Chiefs kumele ke ukuthi ke ileague isebenzele. Udaba ke ngizoqala ngalo lokuthi ke abadlali ababili beSuperSport United uAubrey Modiba kanye ke noGrant Kekana sebaye emphakathini ke nabo bafaka isandla ba donate njengoba ke sibhekane ke nesimo secoronavirus.
The impact that it will have on the community, and we've received positive feedback. This is what we want to do. I think we put our heads together as Aubrey Modiba Foundation, Petimat Foundation and Grant Kekana Foundation, and we just wanted to come here and give back to our community. Obviously we started with Aubrey's community, but we were one team, so we're just hoping that this
lona ke beyangumdlali weKaizer Chiefs uMark Williams futhi ke waphinda waba umdlali wayo ke iBafana Bafana uthi ke yena ke lona ke beyangumqeqeshi wakhe uPaul Doleza for yena is one of the best coaches iKaizer Chiefs ke yaba nabo. Uthi ke uMark Williams ke uDoleza wathi ke mayifika kuKaizer Chiefs ke bekangathandi ukuthi ke anikeze uNeil Tovey ukuthi ke abe ucaptain waleli qembu, kodwa ke uthi ke bathi mabexoxa waseyena emtshela ukuthi ke uNeil Tovey ke nguye nomuntu okulungela ukuthi ke angahola abadlali enkundleni. So ngaloko ke uPaul Doleza wase ethatha ke iadvice yakhe ke uMark Williams waseqoka yena ke uNeil Tovey ukuthi ke abe umkapteni waloke iqembu leKaizer Chiefs. uMark Williams ke mayimchaza uPaul Doleza uthi ke lo mqeqeshi uPaul Doleza umuntu ke obekangasabi ukuthatha inqumo futhi ke umuntu obekakholela kakhulu ke entweni ayenzayo. Uthi ke futhi mayimchaza uthi ke wathi mayifika uPaul Doleza eqenjini leKaizer Chiefs into abatshela yona ukuthi ke uma bangenza lento le yena abatshela yona leli qembu leli lingaphumelela nje kakhulu. Sesiphetha lona ke bekangumdlali wasemuva weqembu leOrlando Pirates uEdward Majenzi Motale uthi ke iqembu leKaizer Chiefs kumele ukuthi ke indebe lena yeAbsa Premiership bayisebenzele bangaphiwa nje mahala.
Nothing for mahala. Everything you work for it. 6 games, 7 games to go. Everybody must wait, and then when the time is right, we finish the league. If the time doesn't become right, we wait and we start afresh. Whether it's 2021, 23, it's okay. Because here we're talking live.
Lena ke iMadiketseng TV kanti ke ungakhohlwa ke ukuthi ke usubscribe ukuze ke njalo ke mangikhipha zona indaba zezemidlalo wena ke uzobe uqala ukuyithola.